Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can add a quiz to your Instagram story. So first, open your Instagram and log into your account and tap on the plus icon in the top left corner of your screen to add something to your story like a photo or video from your gallery. Once you've selected that specific photo, go ahead and tap on the sticker icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the sticker menu, choose the quiz option. If you do not find it directly, tap on the search bar and search for quiz, which is also known as poll sticker option. Go ahead and select it. Now ask a question. A quiz box will appear on your story and type in your quiz question. Then enter multiple answer choices like yes and no. You can also go ahead and add another option. Then tap on the tick mark in the top right corner. You can resize the quiz sticker by pinching it and drag it to your desired position on your story. Then once you're happy with your quiz, tap on your story option to share it in your story. And your Instagram quiz will now be live and ready for your followers to engage with. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.